Hi guys, this is quick review of Muson dash camera, Star 1 dash camera. It's right now Amazon choice, $50 for it on Amazon Australia. Full HD wide angle lens and a smart little camera with 3.2 inch LCD screen. So I'm making this review because it wasn't available when I bought it and it was really tough to figure out everything. You need to buy a memory card separately. It takes a class 10 memory card. I've put in a SanDisk one, micro SD card. It slides in the slot. This is the button for menu, up down button. On the other side, OK button, M for mode. This is to lock the footage, and this is the power button. Here you'll find two LED lights. There's a red one which indicates that the camera is charging. On below that is a blue one which blinks and it shows that the device is recording. It comes with two mounts. I recommend using this one because it secures the device really good, but you can also take it off. Do not use the sticky thing. Do not take this off. It mounts on pretty well without the sticky glue. Under this film there's actually a sticky glue, but the suction is really good, so you don't really need it. I don't think so. You don't want to lose your ability to take the camera off, because when it's mounted up there behind the rear view mirror of your car, it's really difficult to operate it, and it's really difficult to look up and go through all the settings, because you have to look up and your neck hurts after a while. So you want to have the ability to take it off. This is the power USB power socket, and this one is to attach the rear camera if you'd like. Okay, so I'll take it on. I'll put it on because I want to tell you a few things. Come on. Yeah, it comes on. Now you see low battery. It's recording right now, you see, and date and time. Now it doesn't access the menu when you're recording. Low battery, so it turned back off. So what you want to do when it's mounted on and it's recording, press OK, then immediately press M for mode. It will go into picture mode first. Press it again a second time, it will go into preview mode. Once you're there, your menu button would start working again. Here's the tricky thing again. I'm telling you, once the memory card is in and the device is installed, when you start basically your car, the menu is no longer accessible from this button. It would beep, but nothing would come up on the screen. It will keep recording. To go to menu, you need to stop recording. Press OK first, then mode, and then this button to access menu. I don't know why they have done that, but that's how it is. So that's the most tricky bit. If you wanna go through all the settings, another way to go around it is just take off the memory card, do all your settings, turn off the device, put the card back in. The camera actually has its own battery, so probably for 5-10 minutes it can record. It has a parking mode. I've hardwired my camera to my car. It costed me $80 to get it hardwired, but it works the best when you have it hardwired. The parking mode works, everything works, and without it you also have your the socket taken up. You cannot charge your phone or anything else. In the newer cars you have a couple of sockets, but in the older ones you have just one. Even then you have wire dangling around. Now you see reset thing and mic. So here's my quick review of the Muson Star 1 Amazon choice dash cam. Not the best thing, but a cheap nice little camera. It'll get the job done without breaking the bank. Get it hardwired though. I like it hardwired. It's good, neat installation, and yeah, more solid permanent backup. All right, see ya. Thank you.